Guys, all the cars that you see in these videos are for sale on my website, www.woodsandbarclay.com. Enjoy the video. Hey guys, welcome back to the series on the 1980 Mercedes 300 SD. And today we are up at Dry Ice Detailing Pros. I've taken the car up here to Bobby and he's got it up on the lift. He has dry ice blasted the undercarriage. And if you guys aren't familiar with that process, it's basically a cleaning process where they take a gun and they shoot dry ice pellets at high speed and it knocks off all the dirt and debris. But since it's dry ice, it immediately evaporates and doesn't leave any residue. It's an incredible process for cleaning the undercarriage of your car. So let's go ahead and take a look at Bobby's work. All right, there she is.
I got a bunch of photos. I just uploaded them, so I'll send them to you.
All right. Nice.
It looks really good.
Yeah, all the original paint is still on here. I'll probably do some touch up with the satin black paint guys and go around. But yeah, look how clean that turned out. I'll probably refinish the diff housing. Put some satin black paint back on there. Oh wow, look at the exhaust. It still has the original numbers stamped on here from Mercedes. Yeah, the muffler cleaned up really nice. I'm sorry, the resonator, the muffler's in the back. Check this out, guys. There's still zinc plating on all the brake line brackets. This car even has the original paint still on all these rear suspension parts. You can see where a little bit's come off. So I'm gonna go over that with some satin black paint and refinish it. There's the original factory number stamping. Wow, that looks really good under here. Look at these floorboards. Bobby, this came out super nice.
Yeah, looks really good.
Yeah, let's look up here at the, yeah, there's this big crossbar. I always tell you guys that that's what gives these 116s such good handling. There's a big crossbar that goes across the middle of the car there. Oh, nice. Still has all the zinc plating on the bolts, the original factory markings. Yeah, check that out. Original factory markings, zinc plating is still up here. The exhaust, very nice condition. Yeah, look at that. Let's go take a peek up here. Oh yeah, beautiful. Those are the original, still has the original brakes and tie rods on here. It's just a, oh look, there's more original factory markings. Cleaned up really, really nice. And of course, I'm gonna get it back to the shop, guys. We'll do the inspection because I wanna go through and replace all these original parts. Yeah, look at the factory markings still on here. That's crazy. But yeah, I want to go replace all these original parts and, you know, go through the refurbishment and restoration process. But yeah, that's pretty much as good as it gets on the 1980 300 SD. This came out remarkable. Yeah, look at that. All the original stuff under here. And this is like the undercoating, guys. Mercedes would spray under here. It's like a rubberized coating. You can see how they didn't spray it here, but it's sprayed out over here. And that's all still intact. Bobby, nice work.
Yeah, nice.
Also, look how good it cleaned up. That's your trunk space back here. And you can see there's all that original factory coating, that rubberized stuff. And look under here, zero rust on this car. That's remarkable. Look over here. Yeah, check that out. That's the original paint, guys. 46 years old, still good under the car. All right, he's gonna lower it down. He also cleaned inside all of the wheel wells, and I wanna show you guys in there. Guys, check that out. That's all the original factory paint in here. Bobby, this came out amazing.
Yeah, that's good.
Good Lord. Awesome. Let's go take a peek back here. How'd it come out in the back?
That Cosmoline that coating just holds so much dirt.
And it still has a lot of that coating in here. Yeah, you can see it right here. That's that it's almost it's not quite a rubberized undercoating. I don't know what is that.
Yeah, that's just that.
Mercedes would spray it in here.
Body coating, yeah.
But yeah, there's the original paint color. Yeah, that came out beautiful. Let's go take a look at the other side. Oh, here we go, guys. This is on. Yeah, that is remarkable. You can see some of that undercoating stuff right there. It's like a rubberized, but guys, this came out remarkable. Look how clean that is. Let's go take a peek up here. Yeah, there you go. There's a good shot of all that Cosmoline wax. See the drip marks right here? It's all still in there. That is beautiful, and that's the original anthracite paint. Look how clean that is. Such an amazing survivor. And guys, anyway, here's the owner, Bobby. So if you guys want this done to your vehicles, how long does the process take, Bobby?
So usually we'll have a car for about 3 to 4 days. We like to take our time with it and work on them and make sure we do it right without damaging anything. So depending on the amount of work you do and what needs to get done, just leave it with us for about a week and we'll take care of it.
So guys, I'm going to put Bobby's website address up here and his contact info. If you want to bring your car up here, they do outstanding work. And guys, this is how they do it. This is full of dry ice. And yeah, check it out. They're show them a handful of those pellets. So they spray these pellets at high speed. Wow. Look at that. That's pretty cool. And they immediately evaporate once they hit the car, but they're intact for just a second. So it hits the, there we go. They're gone. That's pretty wild. But yeah, when they're intact for just a second and it hits the car and knocks any kind of dirt off of there and cleans it, and then it evaporates. Pretty amazing technology. And here's the blasting machine. What do you got there, Bobby?
Yep, this is our ColdJet PCS 60. Basically top of the line in terms of dry ice cleaning, especially for automotive. And the good thing about this is that it allows us to dial in everything very precise. So we have a lot of control in terms of particle size, in terms of how much ice per minute, in terms of how much pressure. So with this, you're able to kind of blast any part of the car safely without damaging anything. So if you're working with anyone and they're not using something that has precise particle control, then there's a high chance they might damage something.
So you basically, you load it, your pellets into the back here. There's the feeder, and then the gun.
And everything shoots out of here.
And you can adjust the pressure and the pellet, what do you call it? Pellet control?
Size,
pellet size.
Yeah, particle size, the pressure, and how much ice, how much pounds per minute. So
it's amazing.
Go as soft or aggressive as we need to, depending on what we're doing.
All right, guys, this amazing technology. All right, we're gonna get this off the lift. I'm gonna take it back to the shop, and we're gonna start the refurbishment process. New suspension, new brakes, new air conditioner, all of the things that I do in the videos. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you guys next time. Take care.